Good morning. Today we're going to test out the scope, and we're going to take a good look at it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put the scope up this pool pipe, and let's see what we end up seeing, okay? You can see the image is nice and clear on here. Well, let's take a look and see what we can get into the pipe and see. Now we're just traveling inside the pipe. We're going to go in as far as we can. And that's as far as I can go. It doesn't want to make that bend. Okay? That's what the image looks like. Now you see the light, there's light on the end of this. And it should be lighting up inside this pipe for us pretty well. But it actually looks kind of dark in there, doesn't it? There we go. We're going up the pipe farther. But it doesn't really seem to be showing me much, other than just the inside of a clear pipe. So that's where the bend in the pipe is. Let's go check out something else. Now the next thing I wanted to see is how much standing water there is in this pipe. So we're going to take a look at this. I'm going to pop this down in here. You can see. Now the water is right there. You can see it. So that water is up pretty high in that pipe. Let's go test something else. Now over here, we're going to snake where that hose is going in, and that's a drain. That's a waste line for the pool. So let me just get things set up here for a second, and then we'll see what that looks like, okay? Now it is a little clumsy trying to maneuver this with the camera and the my other hand, but we're going to go in that line and see what it looks like. There we go. And you can see down in that line there, it's a little dirty. Not terrible. Okay. Let's see if we can make another pass down there. So all we see is the inside of the pipe. All right. I do have one more thing I want to check out for this video, so stay with me. So yesterday, we had like a sulfur type smell in the basement, and I think it was because this drain for the condensate pump might have been dry, but I put water in it, and ever since then the smell went away. So I just want to check with the camera what's going on down here, see what we see. And we definitely have water in it, which is a good sign. That's what we want to see. You can see the reflection there. That's where the water is, right there. That reflection. And if we take a look up here, we can see the camera lighting up that. So that is telling me right now that that trap is full of water. And yesterday it wasn't, because we got that sulfur smell. And then right after the fact that, and this is how you power it off. Right after the fact that I had filled that trap up, the smell went away immediately. So that's a real life test of the Teslong Borescope. Definitely want to check this out because it can come in real handy for you. Take care.